In this video, I will show you how to remove a payment method on Shein. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do is come across to the Shein website and log into your account. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner, hover over this person icon up here to bring up this menu, and on this menu you want to come down and click onto my profile. Once you're on your profile, come over to the left hand side, and what you want to do is click onto my payment options. This way you're going to see all your different payment methods that have been added to your Shein account, whether that's a debit card or credit card. To go ahead and remove any of these, if you look to the right hand side of the cards that you want to remove, you should see a small trash can icon. So all you need to do is simply give that a click, and what it's going to do is come up with a confirmation like this saying, are you sure you want to delete your account? Just go ahead and click on to confirm, and after a second or two it's going to refresh and remove that payment method. So that is how to remove a payment method on Shein. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.